Unmute. Oh man, what's up, people? Hope everyone's doing well. See if we got what we were looking for yesterday. I'll go to a daily. Remember, my initial draw was what I wanted to see. Excuse me. Wanted to see a close over, right? Stay in the bottom half. And this is a daily time frame, and we've gotten that yesterday. You didn't watch the video from yesterday. It explains what I was looking for, and we literally talked about this. BISI, single candle over, stay on the bottom half of this in the daily. And just like I said yesterday, I am primarily short, looking for things to go lower. And I am not using ES to trade today. I'm not doing that like I was yesterday. Because again, we're not in sync, so I'm just going to pay attention to one. Get what I can get and then be done. And this is the last trading day of the week for me. That was a nice short. Highs disrupted. High intact. Down in there. It was a really nice short. From what? 2:20 a.m. 3:25. Hit halfway at 4:25. Like I said, I want to see price fill these dailies. That's all I'm looking for today. And like I said, whatever I can get, I'm going to take today. It's my last trading day of the week. And I will be done, and we will come back Monday. Close that one. So we still got this big ass gap down here. Me personally, I feel like that's where our draw is. So I will be paying attention to shorts. I'm looking for this was used as inversion. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Let me mute this mic. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Guess not. So I'm looking for shorts. Basically just looking for an entry. There's an entry there, but I missed it. Here, there. Again, my drive liquidity of the higher time frame. This is. So that was a really nice short. Whole lot of goodies. Like, look. Whole bunch of back and forth. Gonna get my thumbnail. Oh, my stomach. Oh, I want the values to be left, top, center, middle. So I'm just looking for shorts, making sure that's what I see. And take that short right there. But we just ran Asian low, PM low, lunch low. I believe our next draw on liquidity is this daily right here. We're going short, maybe, if it'll let me. That's where we want to see it go, but I'm going to take one at the top half and then let it run to see if we can get there. My higher time frame is doing. We got this, we got this, and we got that. I would like to see this, if it is a down close candle, stay in the bottom half of this one. Not close in the top half. We got this volume imbalance down here. I think I'm in it too soon. A 15-minute. Let's see, these are too clean. We got equally, yeah, these are way too clean right here. Like way too clean. Excuse me. But then higher time frame, we do have this, but we're below the daily, so we're respecting the higher time frame. Again, if you haven't watched the video from yesterday, I talked about that's exactly what I wanted to see on the daily. Wanted to see single close, stay in the bottom half, start working into these. So excuse me. Oh, that's not what I want. Like I said, today I'm gonna take what I can get and be done. It is my last trading day. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my week. You know, hang out with the fam, and can't wait till the 4th of July to blow stuff up. My favorite holiday, and not because of the holiday, just because I get to blow stuff up. Literally. Shit, if I could blow stuff on Christmas, Christmas would be my favorite holiday. And I like that. That's exactly what I was looking for. Up, close below. Where, like I said, I'm going to cut one here. Let me go and do that now. Or I'll go halfway. Or you know what? I will measure in between halfway. And we'll take one. Oh, wait. Nope. We don't want both of them. I just want one. Excuse me. Again. And buy. And all I did was, this is a daily imbalance. And I just measured from the top to the half, and then consequent encroachment of that is my first target. And then anything from there, I'll move my stop loss and let it run. Again, just go and watch the video from yesterday. Talk about why I wanted to see this happen. I am not using one or the other to determine who's leading and all that stuff, ES and NASDAQ. I am just going to focus on one, and whatever I can get today, we're taking and we're running. I'm going to tag that 22, 58750. I'll go up to the higher time frame. That's one single candle. Come on. You're getting close. Is there anybody out there? Come on, Gina. Just touch it. That's all you gotta do. Just touch it. Oh man, that's one. And then I'm just gonna come down to break even, and we're gonna watch 5-minute. I don't want to see it come back up into here. So yeah. Like I said, I'm whatever we get, however long it take, we're gonna take what we can get and be done. I don't necessarily want to be here all day. I necessarily don't need to. One was hit. Again, I want to see it stay in the bottom half of this. 5-minute candle close. You got 9 seconds in that. And what do we do? Let's see. We just de-seeded all of the lows down here. Now we want to see, well, do we want to continue to go lower or do we turn and go higher? I don't see us going any higher, but again, I'm just responding accordingly. I do believe that these daily BISIs are our draw on liquidity because it's an imbalance in price. If you study the market enough, you know it runs on efficiencies. All the little gaps and things that are there, they go back and close them eventually. And all I need to see, okay, well, how is it closing? Is it staying in the bottom half? Is it staying in the top half? Is it wicking? Like I said, I want to see it close this. Well, we're getting a retracement. 5-minute. We're going to take what we got and be done. So, like I said, today, I'm not really reaching for much. That's one trade. You know, it's just today. It's pretty dope. Especially in a market that's freaking extremely hard to freaking read and trade. Jeez. Like super hard. Uh-oh. And say, well, this was all these were. Let's see, regular trading. Was there anything down there? See, and look at regular trading. All these lows, man. All that. Those are equal lows. Let's see why and where did we stop? Stop there. Look left. So we literally just ran all of these lows. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all of these lows were just ran. Yes, I do believe that our draw liquidity is these dailies, but the retracements we're getting is kind of crazy. But I guess it could be expected with the short week. 4th of July on Friday. Excuse me, smart money goes away for the holiday. So now it's just like, well, what's up there? You got this. I got all these. keep rolling up, keep rolling up. Oh my. Oh my. Higher time frame. Wicks are treated like gaps, so if we want to go short, I don't want to see anything close above this halfway. Look what we got. Again, I'm not like, oh my goodness, I have to do something. With it being what it is, I'll take what I can get and be done. Oh, excuse me. Premium discount. Well, since we just ran these lows, ideally, I don't want to see anything. So this is what I'm thinking right now. Since we literally just ran all of these lows, 1, 2, 3. My thought process is, okay, well, if this is our lowest wick right now, if we stay above consequent encroachment and we never close below, I need to be looking for something up there. We stay below this, I'd be looking for something down there. That's my thought process, and that's why I measured this highest wick and this lowest wick, because wicks are treated like gaps. If you notice, when we went down to the 1 minute, these gaps are candles. I mean, these wicks are candlesticks. So if you was on the 5-second, 15, all that, these wouldn't be wicks, that would be candles. The 1 minute. Ooh, excuse me. And I would say short, rejecting off of this, rejecting off of that, also rejecting off of this 5 minute. But we just ran sell side here. But I also believe that our daily imbalance is our drawing liquidity. I believe we're going to close those. Basically, I want to see how we operate here. This 50. Oh, excuse me. And we're wicking. short. Again, the thing that's stopping me is like, I want to see where does it close on these two. And I keep rolling up, keep rolling up. Throwing up gang signs. This is the London session. Hourly, what's happening? Let's see, we just ran all of these. 4 hour, same thing. We just ran all of these, filled that. Rejection. Rejection there. Are we wicked into that one? So 1, 2, this is the breakaway. So we should see lower prices. I'm gonna go short. Stop loss at the halfway. And again, I'm targeting, we'll go there this time. But I really want to see it close it down here. And the only thing, like I said, the only thing that I could see is not, turning and doing something else is because we ran these lows. But I do believe that the draw on liquidity is these higher imbalances like this. So we'll see if we can get that, but that's what I'm looking at. That's what I would like to see. Because again, I want to see this treated as a breakaway to go lower. I said, okay, well, if we ran lows, we wanted to go higher, where could we go? It's like liquidity is up here. I don't see the only liquidity I see equal highs is there. This is all jagged. It just ran these. Got highs up there. Like I said, I want to see lower prices. How we get there and when we get there, we'll see. Oh, my stomach. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, we'll close that up there. This is still open. top half is still open up here. Okay, so with us running this low, I should have been looking for things to go higher. So we're above that wick of consequent encroachment. And watch. I'm going to close this up here. And I'm hoping we can take that to come back down in here. So we just went from discount, or from a premium down to the discount, up to a premium to see it go down to another discount. That's funny. That's hilarious. So what's still open is the top half of that one. And complete turnaround. Close that. So as soon as we created that low, we measure this wick. Nothing, close below halfway. Yeah, see, and this is where it's like, nah, bruh. Take what I got and be done with this. Oh, excuse me. Yes, just ran the low. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. 5 minute now. That is no longer our highest wick. Wait for this. That's now our highest wick. Oh. That's interesting. This again. Have these daily imbalances. Oh, my stomach, man. Oh. All right, unless he wants to go get liquidity up here, that's the equal high. 2270, 22,701.75. But we're at the low right here. I see. Yes, has been doing. I'm going sideways. Excuse me. What's going on there? What is this? Stop it. Close it. Since we ran the lows, it should have been looking up here. We'll get rid of this because that's no longer the highest wick. So I want to see market close that. So again, I'm primarily looking for shorts today to close these imbalances. This world is changing right in front of me. Gray hairs, I'm aging faster than I thought I'd be. Straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up. Only been on 37 minutes. Might be smoking on something loud. Heads in the clouds. This world is changing right in front of me. Gray hairs, I'm aging faster than I thought I'd be. Straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up. Yeah, these retracements are crazy. Oh, cardio. So we just ran the lows here. We also just ran the lows there. So I'm like, okay, well, I like these down here. But we just ran all of these lows. Again, I'm still short. We're just gonna allow the retracement up here to go lower because I don't think, again, it's just my thought process. To me, I don't see us going up there. I believe on the daily, those are our higher draws and liquidity. And honestly, should be measuring this one. So that's a daily profile. That's what I should be measuring. A consequent encroachment of that daily wick. Again, that's the daily. Excuse me. It's that lower, this wick right here. So that's the wick market is trying to get through. Remember, wicks are treated like gaps, so that's what we're trying to get through right now. 5-minute. Excuse me. Spend more time on the higher time frames. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, I need my stretch on. So we can get, because we still got this up here. Well, we wicked into that in the 1 minute. So on the daily, we're right at that 50. We just wicked until 5 minute. 19 seconds left on it. So as soon as we ran these lows, measure if it stays above, I want to see it go higher. So as soon as these lows are ran, that's what I should have done. Measured lower time frame, never went to back to consequent encroachment. 1, 2. But again, it's hard for me to do that because I believe my drawn liquidity is these dailies, these daily BISIs. So it's hard for me to say, okay, well, if I'm looking for a short, it's hard for me to turn around, okay, and say go long. And I'm sure in due time it'll come. But when I try and do that, I always hurt myself. Hey. So I really think these. This is the draw. BISI single candle closed it, stayed in the, and we wigged up, which is fine, but we didn't close below. Or we wigged up through it, but stay below halfway. Again, watched the video from yesterday. Talked about that's what I wanted to see going into today, or I guess the rest of the week. Is that my rejection I'm looking for off of my SIBI? I think so. You know, only thing that's like, if we ran these lows. But if we ran these lows, and this is my hard time frame, this would be the draw. Call my phone. I don't want to text you anymore. I just want to stop this silver war. Oh, baby, please. Hey, you don't want to call it quits. Never turn your back on love. Fuck it. It's the same old thing. Wake up. Put the blame on me. See, and that's why I'm just going to stick to these higher times, because 1 minute is getting me. Okay, I still think that's the draw. What the hell? Halfway here. What are we doing here? Oh my goodness, my stomach. Again, I want to see those dailies filled. 2 minutes. Oh, hold on. 2 minute. 3 minute. 1 minute. I want to go short. 45. I'm gonna go short. Stop loss right there. Again, I believe the higher time frame is the draw on liquidity. Honestly, we'll go there. Ah, they're rejecting. That's the thing. Look at the 15-minute. Unless it wants to go all the way back up here. Because that is a discount. I would like to see it go to a deeper discount. Uh-oh. Back up to the 50 on the daily. 2 minutes. 3 minute. We have this inefficiency down here. But then we also have this one. We are above the 5 minute. I would like to see it close below this. Ideally. So this is a 5 minute. We never got the consequent encroachment of the 5 minute either. So, and that's where it's like, this is looking more. And that's where it's like, I'm not sure because again, I would like to see these get closed. But we literally just ran all these. So it's a matter of, okay, well, when are we going to run that? Because this is not it today. Or at least right now. I see now this looks way better. Rejected off of that. But again, I want to see this filled. So I have to wait. I have to wait. I have to wait. I'll go up to the 5 minute. Like I said, I want to see this. But then there is no inefficiency down there, so I think, well, on the higher time frame there's an inefficiency, but on the lower time frame there's nothing. So I want to see either we reject off of this or reject off of that one when we open. Or we get the opposite and we take these highs. But I'm saying reject because I believe these are draws on liquidity. I gave back everything that I've earned this morning already. See, and that's where it's important to focus on one side. Now we're back at the 50 again. So what do you see? I see higher prices. I see a retracement to go higher. But I also see this. Again, that's what I want to see. And just the way we're hanging around the 50 of that wick. Again, this green is the 50. Oh, whoa, what's going on there? It's the 50 of this lowest wick. So again, I want to see a short down into here, but I don't know if we're going to get that. It must be raining. I want to see a rejection off of something to go lower. Preferably one of these SIBIs. The 5-minute. Got this one. So if it does come up, I would like to see it stay in the bottom half of that. Okay, I see that now. Do I want to ride that up there? No, I'm gonna wait for that rejection. If my bias is correct. Because the only thing open is within this 5-minute. It's just this right here. From this to that. Let's see where we open up as well. Oh, frick. Shit, I may be completely wrong on the longs or shorts. But that's just what I would like to see because there's an imbalance on the higher time frame. Oh, I already closed the gap. think that's my rejection I was looking for. Oh, there it is. So we already closed the opening range gap. I said I wanted to see shorts. And I was wrong. And then it's like, well, why was I wrong? Well, we just ran all of these. We ran all of these lows. So when buy or sell side is being ran, I need to automatically look up here. Like, and I understand that, sure, I had this daily down here, but it's a matter of when it's going to run it. Because we ran this low, this low, this low, that low. So New York, premium or discount premium. That's interesting. And another thing is, where do we wick to? So we didn't even get to below this. So if we would have closed below that, then and see it, that's why I love this. Every day is a learning lesson, like every day. Should have been looking for longs up into here. This is the single high or relatively equal highs right there. Literally. That's funny. That's hilarious. So what did we just do? We went and closed all of this, retested that, this SIBI right here. Again, I'm still lower prices. Get rid of that. We will get rid of that. We're just paying attention to the higher time frame. We just ran liquidity up there. See, we're at halfway of the opening range gap. Oh, stomach, man. What did I do? Just wicked off the opening range gap. Consequent encroachment. Like I said, I wanted to see lower prices. Come and close this. But I see why it wouldn't or why it shouldn't have. Ran that, ran that, ran that. There was 3 lows ran, as well as that was ran, this was ran, that was ran. So even though on a higher time frame we had a daily, but what did the market do? Okay, well, we never closed below this. We never even touched into it. So right there, that should be like, okay, well, it's more than likely that we are going higher. Not saying we can't fill this. It's just when. Because I do believe where this is going to get filled. Because it's a gap in price. So lowers ran, lowers ran, lowers ran, lowers ran. as well as that low is ran, that low is ran, and this low is ran. So I should have been looking for longs. And again, this is my lowest wick after it ran everything. Measure this wick. And what I want to see is, okay, well, what happened? We just ran everything down there, right? I would like to see if it holds true and stays above halfway, which we did. And again, the reason why I didn't go long here is because I wanted to see this filled. I wanted this to be the draw on liquidity and go lower, which we did not get today, like, at all. And that's okay. So that means I need to be looking up here and there. And so just like I just did that, highest wick. And if this is our draw on liquidity up here, I don't want to see anything go below halfway. Excuse me. Yeah, equal highs there too. Man, that was a nice one. But again, I see that we ran 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lows. So for me, I should have been looking for longs. Oh, and now since we ran those lows again, I need to be looking for longs. We're above the open range gap. Because we literally just ran everything down there. And obviously, this is not my drawn liquidity as of right now. This thing, oh, we want to see it stay in the bottom half of that. Of this. Make sure I got that opening range gap right. Open, close, constant encroachment. So I would like to see rejection off of the open range gap, consequent encroachment, to get again down into that daily. Ooh. now we're just gonna wait. Let's make sure it's all right. Yeah. Just going to wait. Still. Yeah, so even on the 15-minute, we have that up there. But again, ideally I want to see it stay in the bottom half of this said fair value gap. And I would like to see it treated as inversion to send things lower down into here. And then maybe work into this next week or a week into this one, leave that open. But that's huge. Excuse me. And then you have a gap in price here, here. Yes, it's going sideways. Has not ran the lows yet. Yeah, I don't want to see it go to above this. I want to see it stay below it and then treat that as an inversion to go lower because of this daily. We have BISI buy side. Ooh. See. It's a gap in price. We got to encompass all of that. So that kind of changes things. So it's not a single candle over it. We wicked into this one. So yeah, I need to be looking for longs. I had that in the wrong freaking spot. Yeah, I had that in the wrong spot. Let's see, how far are we? So I go from here to there. We're still below the 50. I'll go 1 minute, see if we can get an entry. Yeah, I had that in the wrong spot. So that's not even, couldn't be treated as inversion because it's not a full candle over it. Dang. But hey, that's part of this learning lesson and journey for sure. It's the new week opening gap. See if we can get that high. wait and see if we can retrace back into that to go higher. So I should have been looking at this high. Should have been looking at this one, and this high, I believe now, because we ran 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5, 6 different lows. And I have to warrant at least consequent encroachment minimum. I want to see you get up here, but we will take one consequent encroachment, or yeah, we'll take one consequent encroachment of this. So and ideally I would want to wait for a deeper retracement, but I'm warranting to go below halfway. But we just ran all these, so we shall see. $19 in a 1 minute. The new week opening gap is up here as well. So I don't want to see it close below this. The wicking is fine, but I don't want to see it get below there. And that's why my stop loss is 1, 2 ticks below. So I would like to see it get up here, but minimum consequent encroachment of this, of the new week opening gap. Make sure that's in the right spot. Yep. And we're also above the opening range gap, which is right here. Where's my first presented? Excuse me. I have nobody to call my own. Let's see. I don't know. I want to see start closing above that. That's that wick. And we want to see something close above halfway. Again, we took the highest wick. We measured it. We already wicked him down into this imbalance. So again, I want to see if we can stay above halfway of that. And then work up into that new week opening gap. And again, we got relative equal highs up there. Man, that cantaloupe smell fire. I said I want to see it stay above the halfway. Ideally, I don't want to see it go. I got 44 seconds in this 5-minute candle. That's what we want to see. Again, I don't want to see it close below halfway. 27 seconds, 25. As long as you stay above half, we'll stay in it. I like it, kind of. All right, so if we want to retrace, where could we retrace to? I don't really see anything down there on the 5-minute, unless it wants to go for. We're in regular trading, and we're up above halfway of the daily as well. Again, I don't want to see it close below this. So what if we're going to get our short that we've been looking for? Okay, I need you because regular trading, we haven't ran that. Electronic, we have. It's so odd to me, man. Electronic, we ran it. Regular, we haven't even touched it. I need to be paying attention to the regular. See, and we reject it. 5-minute. Again, regular trading hours, we haven't even touched this. Electronic hours, we have. And then that's that 5-minute wick. We're well below it. See if we can get back above it. Because we're down. So I just made another new high. Again, I would like to see it stay above this, but if it goes below it, regular trading hours, we have not ran all of these yet. So and that's where I'm favoring shorts. We're below my excuse me. I don't know. Because we ran all of this. We rejected off of that 5 minute. But then we got this up here, and we also have the new week opening gap up above it. Man, see, I don't know. Just because we're above this. But our highest wick, we're below that. There's no inefficiency until we get down into here. So I don't think I'm on the right side. And then it's 2 minute, 3 minute. We got inefficiency down there. We're gonna reverse that. And we're gonna put a stop loss up at the high. Again, I would like to see come down into here. Regular trading hours, we have not ran these. So I want to see if we can get down there. Look at that noise. Dang, man. We just hit halfway. Excuse me. Is that thunder? Oh yeah, because that's rain. Sweet. I don't have to water the garden. Awesome. Yeah, man. See, stick to that. Stick to it. Sweet. We got rain. I don't have to go water in the garden. Hell yeah. thunder, that's for sure. Jeez, man. Jeez Louise. Whole lot of nothing. And then we will sell 3 there. Let me try. I think I took way too many trades today. Way too many for my liking. Okay, I want to see these highs attacked. First, we got to get up into this new week opening gap. It's raining. Nice. Shit, that's 100% right there. We'll take that right there. And then we'll cut 3 there at the 50. Sell 3. Excuse me. Oh, my grass can be super long. Dang. Grass can be dummy long. Because it's raining. Yeah, I want to see this used as a magnet to price. I don't think this is it yet. Not yet. Not yet. Go back up to my higher time frame. So we're into that new week opening gap. So ideally, I want to see it stay in the top half of it. So we got an inefficiency here. That's where the first 3 will come off. Then I want to see if we can get up here because my fib from this low to this price range where we were, that's 50. That's 100. So, and I'm going to move my stop loss up here. Ideally, I don't want to see it come back down. I want to see it go higher. Ooh, woo, 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 woo. Man, dang it. When we ran them lows, man, that should have been wrongs. But my higher time frame drawing liquidity caught me up. I wanted to see, I assumed that these were the lows, but look, we wicked, never closed below. So I see it. Like I said, every day is a learning lesson for sure. For sure. So we wicked into that. Well, where else could we go? And so we have an inefficiency down here. I would like to see it go here or above that. Look how we're wicking now. And the only inefficiency is down here. Like literally. So we start breaking down through all of this. Yeah, I gotta go and close it. Like I said, ideally I want to see it get up here. Excuse me. And we're above this 5-minute wick. We just got above another one. We'll change that to quarters. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. It's tornado sirens. Oh wait, it's the first day of the month or second day of the month. Pretty sure that's when they test here. I think. And we're pumping it up. We're getting there. And again, if I like, I'm not mad at myself. I'm a little disappointed, but that comes with doing this every day. As soon as we ran these lows, man, I should have been thinking long. Like as soon as we ran them, but my higher time frame drawing liquidity was just daily, and I wanted to see that filled. So it was hard for me to see that. But again, seeing that we never even got to consequent encroachment, that is telling me everything I need to know. Everything I need to know. Literally everything. Oh man. And then I think that'll change to 1. Let me change that because if we sell 3, which we should already, maybe. There we go. What the heck? So I'm pretty sure I just got back everything that I lost. And again, that's where patience comes into play. Patience and just trusting what you see and what you know, man. Like literally. And I'm gonna see if we can even get up there. It's a 5-minute Sibi. Man, that's so crazy. Honestly, I'm gonna take what I can get. See if we can just be all right. I think we're gonna be all right. This is breakaway, never retrace back into. We'll put it at the bottom half of the new week opening gap. See if we can get that. Excuse me. Oh, wowzers. I made today difficult. Like, I made it difficult. I can't wait till I can get multiple screens so I can see. Like, I cannot wait. It's just going to be so dope. It's 128, man. I ain't trying to reach for the moon. Not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna take what I can get. I really want to see this get tagged. That's really what I'm waiting on. So I want to see. It's 207. This is holding. We failed on the 5-minute SIBI. We got 8 seconds left in this 5-minute candle. So I really want to see if we can tag that up there. I'm gonna 5 minutes so I can go and get me a. That's crazy. So that means if this is 200, double that. So we just moved like 600 something points. That's awesome. Or ticks, I'm sorry. Not points. Just got me another thumbnail. That's just 5 minute. We're creeping above that. Measure this one out. Again, ideally 5 minute. I would like to see it stay above that, so we can go and work up into this up here. This is so crazy. This is wild. Oh my goodness. The hardest, easiest money you'll ever make in your freaking life. Like, ever. This is so wild. So thankful and grateful, man. Man, I have no idea. From driving trucks to this. So I'll take this all day. I ain't got to be away from the family. I got to sit my ass down in the truck for 8 hours, 8 to 12 hours. Man, I got to deal with racist ass white folks in these small ass towns. Man, I'll take this all day, every day. All day, every day. And see how we're closing below that. I've already took something out. I'm literally going to close it. Finito, done, no mas. That's it for me. What's today? The second. Yeah, I took way too many trades. Oh, let's see. Pull out the good old calculator. We started at 1, 2, 5, 3. Oh, snaps. 1, 2, 5, 3, 1, 3. Where's that at? 0.54 minus 1, 2, 7, 3, 4, 2.54 equals 2029. I'm cool with that. It should have been a hell of a lot less trades to get that. I'm not gonna say I'm proud of it, but I'm happy with it. I am definitely happy with it. It makes sense to me. It works. Yeah, this is the last video of the week. Tomorrow is Thursday, July 3rd. So I don't think I'm gonna trade tomorrow. I think I'm gonna just enjoy the rest of the week off. Let me see what the calendar is on. Oh yeah, no. I'm not doing anything because we got non-farm. Let me pull up my screen capture. Done. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the economic calendar. Yeah, today will be my last day. Friday, excuse me. Friday is we're not. I don't think the market's open or it closes early. So if we're closed early on Friday, I'm gonna treat Thursday like a non-farm payroll, and I won't be doing anything tomorrow. I hope everyone has a great holiday here in the States. I hope that you come back with all your fingers that you left with. And man, be blessed. Be blessed. Be thankful. Be grateful. And there's no such things as losses, man. Always just lessons. Always lessons. We replace losses with lessons. All right. But love and live life. I'll holler. Hope y'all have a good one.